So I've shown you how to make quite a few book page roses set on a wooden stem, and if you're giving them as gift, it's quite nice to present them in a simple manner. So I developed some very simple gift sleeves for these flowers, and I'd like to show you how to make them. So what you'll need to start with is at least one sheet of A4 card. I'm going to show you how to make a few in this video, so I'm going to make a selection of colours, but you can easily mix and match and do two-tone gift sleeves. So first of all, what you need to do is cut a 10cm strip of A4 paper. From the leftover strip of A4 paper, we will cut a 15cm strip, and then we want to measure 1 centimetre on either end and fold it over. The way I do this is I take a ruler and I hold it against the line that I've drawn, and then I fold the paper over the ruler. And then you can remove the ruler and press firmly with your thumb along the fold. And then with the remaining piece of spare paper, we need to cut 2 more strips, one about 4 centimetres wide and one about 2.5 centimetres wide, and the length will be about 11 centimetres if you've cut it in the same way as I have. So you can decorate your strip of paper at this stage. I like to use a little stamper and cut out a little heart shape or a little flower shape, and then we need to glue one side and I attach that about 4.5 centimetres from the bottom of the A4 strip of paper that we first cut, and I press firmly. I like to use high tack glue for this because it really does hold it in place whilst you're working on the rest of the project. So we'll take the strip that's 4 centimetres wide, and what we want to do is fold it in half, and then take either end and fold it to the middle. And then we want to make it into a little triangle shape, or a little triangular shape. So we'll take our little triangle shape and we will glue some high tack glue on the bottom, and we want to attach it to the A4 paper, and it's about 10 centimetres from the bottom of the paper, and press down firmly so that it's held in place, and I sometimes put a pencil inside just to rub it around. And then the other strip of paper that we've got left over, fold it in about 2 centimetres on either end, add a little bit of the high tack glue, and then press that down firmly onto our strip, and this is about 1 centimetre or 2 below the triangular shape. So to complete the gift sleeve, we just need to add a little bit of high tack glue and press it down firmly to the base of the gift sleeve. And the little triangle shape raises the paper rose so that it isn't flat against the back of the gift sleeve. So I'll make a couple more gift sleeves now. I won't do all the narration over the top, and I'll just put a little bit of music for the background, but it will give you an idea of how you can customise your own gift sleeves for your own paper flowers.